Understanding easygoing. Dive into the meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to explore the meaning of easygoing. This is a commonly used term, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Easygoing is an adjective and it's made up of two words, easy and going. When combined, they describe a personality trait. An easygoing person is relaxed and not easily upset or stressed. They take things in stride and don't get worked up over small issues. For instance, John is so easygoing. Even when there's a problem at work, he remains calm and finds a solution. I prefer an easygoing vacation, just lying on the beach and reading a book. It's always handy to know synonyms or words that have a similar meaning. Some synonyms for easygoing include laid back, relaxed, chill, unhurried, mellow. These words can often be used interchangeably with easygoing, depending on the context. For example, my boss is very laid back. He doesn't stress about minor mistakes. She has a mellow attitude towards life. To get a better grasp, let's see some more examples of how easygoing can be used in sentences. She has an easygoing approach to parenting. It's enjoyable to work with someone who is easygoing and cooperative. Even though he is an easygoing person, he can be very determined when it comes to his goals. Sometimes, understanding what a word doesn't mean is just as important. Easygoing does not imply that a person is lazy or lacks ambition. It simply suggests that the person remains calm and doesn't get upset easily. For example, an easygoing person might be very passionate about their projects but will handle challenges with a calm demeanor. So there you have it. The next time you come across the word easygoing, or if you wish to describe someone with a calm and relaxed attitude, you'll know precisely what it means. We hope this video helped shed some light on this popular English term. Keep learning, and until next time, stay easygoing. _.